Hello, everyone. Today I want to share something very close to my heart. My family. Family is not just about the people we live with. It is about love, support, and the unbreakable bond that keeps us together through every challenge and joy. My family has shaped the person I am today, and for that, I am forever grateful. I was born into a warm and loving family in a small town, where life was simple but filled with love. My father is a hard-working and determined man who has always been my role model. He taught me the value of honesty, dedication, and perseverance. No matter how long his work days were, he always made time to share stories, guide me through tough decisions, and encourage me to chase my dreams. His wisdom and patience have been my guiding light. My mother, on the other hand, is the heart and soul of our home. She is the one who holds everything together with her kindness, patience, and unconditional love. She has always been my biggest supporter, reminding me that kindness and resilience are the keys to a meaningful life. Even on the hardest days, she greeted us with a warm smile and comforting words. Her ability to give selflessly and love endlessly has taught me the true meaning of family. I am blessed with two wonderful siblings, a caring elder sister and a fun-loving younger brother. Growing up, we had our fair share of arguments over silly things, like who got the biggest slice of cake or who controlled the TV remote. But at the end of the day, we were inseparable. My sister, being the eldest, was like a second mother to me. She always looked out for me, helped me with my homework, and motivated me to believe in myself. Whenever I faced difficulties, she was there with encouraging words and advice, reminding me that dreams are worth fighting for. My younger brother, the life of our family, has always been the source of endless laughter and joy. No matter how stressful life got, he could make everyone smile with his jokes and playful nature. I still cherish the memories of our childhood, playing in the backyard, staying up late to watch cartoons, and celebrating festivals with excitement. Even today, no matter how far life takes us, our bond remains as strong as ever. One of the most special things about my family is our traditions. Every Sunday, we gather around the dinner table for a family meal where we share stories, laugh together, and simply enjoy each other's company. No matter how busy life gets, this tradition keeps us connected. Holidays and special occasions in my family are magical. Whether it's birthdays, New Year celebrations, or cultural festivals, we always make them memorable with delicious food, music, and heartfelt conversations. These traditions remind me that family is not just about living together, but about creating beautiful moments that last a lifetime. Through every high and low, my family has been my greatest teacher. They have taught me that love and respect are the foundation of a strong relationship. Success is not just about achievements. It's about kindness, honesty, and the impact we have on others. Difficult times don't break a family, they make it stronger. No matter where life takes me, I know that I can always rely on my family. They are my first teachers, my strongest support system, and the people who love me unconditionally. One of the things I love most about my family is our traditions. These special moments bring us closer, strengthen our bond, and remind us of the love that holds us together. Every Sunday evening, we have a family dinner, a cherished tradition where we all gather around the table, share stories, and enjoy a homemade meal prepared by my mother. No matter how busy life gets, this is our time to reconnect, laugh, and create beautiful memories. It's not just about the food, it's about the warmth, love, and togetherness that make our home feel special. Holidays and festivals in our family are magical. Whether it's birthdays, New Year celebrations, or cultural festivals, we celebrate with excitement, delicious food, music, and lots of laughter. Our traditions remind us that no matter how far life takes us, family is always there to celebrate our victories and support us through challenges. These small yet meaningful traditions shape who we are and give us something to look forward to, year after year. Like any family, we have faced tough times. There were moments of financial struggles, personal losses, and challenges that tested our strength. But through it all, we never gave up on each other. We stood together, supported one another, and found solutions as a team. When I was younger, I remember a particularly difficult time when my father lost his job. It was a stressful period, but instead of falling apart, we stood strong as a family. My mother took on extra work. My siblings and I found small ways to help, and we all learned the importance of patience and resilience. That experience taught me that family is not just about sharing happy moments. It's about lifting each other up in difficult times. The tough times only made our bond stronger. They taught us the importance of trust, perseverance, and unconditional love. No matter what challenges life throws at us, I know that my family will always be there to support and encourage me. If there's one lesson that my family has deeply ingrained in me, it is this: love and respect are the foundation of every strong relationship. We may have disagreements, we may have different opinions, but at the end of the day, family means standing by each other no matter what. My family has also taught me that true success is not measured by wealth or achievements, but by kindness, honesty, and the positive impact we have on others. Their constant support and encouragement have given me the confidence to face the world, chase my dreams, and never be afraid of failure. Most importantly, they have shown me that happiness is not found in material things. It is found in the love, laughter, and simple moments shared with the people who matter most. No matter where life takes me, my family will always be my greatest treasure. They are my first teachers, my biggest supporters, and the people who love me unconditionally. Life is unpredictable, but having a strong family by your side makes everything easier and more meaningful. So, if you have a family that loves you, cherish them, appreciate them, and never take them for granted. If you are far from your family, call them today and remind them how much they mean to you. And if you are building your own family, remember that love, respect, and unity are the keys to a happy home. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the most valuable lesson your family has taught you? Do you have any special family traditions? What do you love most about your family? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And always remember, family is not just an important thing. It is everything. Love, home, smile.